So now in this video, I'm going to go through the data cleaning process. We have the training data set, we have the testing data set. We want to clean, we want to remove the missing values, we want to remove the unnecessary values. So we will basically filling the missing values in the numeric data like age and fear. Age and fear is a numeric variable. So we will be filling with the median of those. And basically I will first tell you how you can just write a function in this Python. Just you have to write def, and then just let's take an example. You want to square something, square num. This is the name of the function now. And let's say you are giving two numbers like x comma y. You can input anything in any object, Python object inside the function. You can give the data frame, you can give the list, you can give the dictionary, you can give the set, you can give anything inside it, any object. So what you are returning is, you just say that let's say z is equal to x plus y, and then you are returning z. Once you run this, now your square underscore num is stored as an object. Now you have to call this function, give any two numbers inside it, and just run it. You see that 2 plus 4 gives 6. So this is the demo of this function. The name of the function is a square num. You give the input values x and y, you do some manipulation in x and y, you store as z, and then you return that value. So this is just the basic thing for the function. Now we are using the same you are using the function for cleaning purpose. We are writing a custom data cleaning function. What you do is just write def, and the function name is data cleaning. You give inside this the name of the data set. You are inputting this data frame. So train data frame you are putting inside, and then you are accessing age, fear, embarked columns, and then you are filling the inner values with the median values, as I already told in the last videos. Now in the embarked column, since it is a categorical variable, you have what you are filling with it is the mode of this embarked, means the highest frequency category in that embarked is S. So we are filling it with S. So now for the male and female in the sex, what you are doing is, wherever you have the male as sex, you are putting in a 0, otherwise you're putting 1. And similarly for embarked, you have labeled it before you have filled it. Wherever you have the missing values, you filled it with S, and then you are label encoding with numeric values 0, 1, 2. For the sex, wherever you have male, you input as 0, wherever you have female, you have 1. In embarked, you have 3 categories, S, C, and Q. That's why you're putting 0, 1, and 2. Now you have everything in the numeric data set. Wherever we have the data which is in a string format or the category, we will not be using, just to make the case very simple, just to get the understanding of how you perform the complete machine learning approach end to end. So just after doing all this data manipulation, you just return train. And then what you're doing is, you are calling this function, inputting train and storing as train object, inputting in the next line, inputting test and storing as test. Now train, if you run this, now train and test will be data cleaning. We have not run, so let's run this, and now then run this. Now we don't have any missing values in this.